If you want to earn money in photography, then watch this video until the end. Step 1. Use LinkedIn as a portfolio page. If you're a photographer and haven't figured out how to earn money on LinkedIn yet, you're missing a huge opportunity. I've been active on LinkedIn since the start of this year, and already, about a third of my income has come from the platform. What is LinkedIn, by the way? LinkedIn is a professional networking platform primarily used for business and career-related purposes. It allows individuals to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and qualifications. Users can connect with colleagues, potential clients, and employers to build a professional network. LinkedIn also allows companies to showcase their services, recruit talent, and promote job openings. While LinkedIn started as a platform for professionals to connect with one another, it has evolved over the years to include features like content sharing, job listings, professional groups, and even personal branding opportunities. Users can post updates, share articles, participate in discussions, and engage with other content, making it a valuable tool for building a personal brand or promoting a business, especially for freelancers and entrepreneurs. LinkedIn is also known as professional networking. LinkedIn is often referred to as the Facebook for professionals. It allows users to connect with colleagues, peers, and industry leaders. These connections help individuals build a strong professional network, opening doors for collaborations, job opportunities, and partnerships. Job search and recruitment. LinkedIn has a powerful job search feature that allows users to find job listings based on their skills, location, and experience. Companies use LinkedIn to post job openings, search for candidates, and review resumes. It's also used for passive recruitment, where employers might directly reach out to potential candidates who match the job requirements. Content sharing. LinkedIn allows users to post content such as articles, videos, and status updates, which helps establish thought leadership. How can photographers take advantage of LinkedIn today? If you're familiar with LinkedIn, you probably know it as a platform where professionals from different companies connect. While it's still used for that purpose, LinkedIn has undergone significant changes in recent years. Today, it presents an amazing opportunity, especially for small business owners or freelancers looking to engage with clients and potential clients. One of the simplest ways photographers can use LinkedIn is by using it as a portfolio. While many photographers rely on their websites or platforms like Instagram to showcase their work, LinkedIn has evolved into a social media platform as well. I highly recommend sharing your work through posts on LinkedIn, turning it into a dynamic portfolio to help attract new clients. Step 2. Use LinkedIn as a marketing platform. The second way to use LinkedIn to your advantage is by treating it as a marketing platform. I'm not referring to spending money on ads, though if you're experienced with ads, you can run them on LinkedIn just as you would on Facebook or Instagram. For beginners, I recommend focusing on organic content. Just like other social media platforms, LinkedIn allows you to share content that showcases your photography business, such as behind-the-scenes glimpses, your work process, and the types of packages you offer. This is an opportunity to educate your audience about your small business. Keep in mind, as I always say, that as a photographer, your goal isn't just to be an artist, you're building a business if you want to make money from your photography. Step 3. Use LinkedIn for networking. The third strategy to acquire clients on LinkedIn involves using its networking capabilities to reconnect with past clients and contacts. If someone has previously hired you or purchased your photography services, you can reach out to them on LinkedIn to check if they might need your services again in the future. This approach targets warm or hot leads, as these clients are already familiar with you and your style, and they know if they were satisfied with your work. You can even ask them if they were pleased with the previous project. This also presents an opportunity to learn more about your clients' preferences, what they liked or disliked, and how you can enhance your services. However, keep in mind that they're not constantly thinking about hiring you again, so it's up to you to understand their current photography needs and offer solutions that meet those needs. How to get clients on LinkedIn. If you're new to LinkedIn and starting from scratch, here are some key steps to help you get going. Tip number 1. Generate inbound leads. The first tip is to create a professional and authentic profile. To do this, ensure you have a professional profile picture. Either hire a photographer or take one yourself if you're skilled at self-portraits. After that, LinkedIn will guide you through completing your profile. Be sure to provide as much relevant information as possible to position yourself for photography work. You can link your website, indicate that you're available for freelance opportunities, write a bio explaining what type of photography you specialize in, and include any previous work experience. This can also help potential connections see shared experiences or interests. Tip number 2. Work with warm leads. The second piece of advice I'd give is to expand your network by connecting with as many people you know as possible. Begin by adding classmates, colleagues, former employers, and friends working in corporate roles or companies that may need a photographer. Focus on people you already know and avoid adding random strangers, as it won't be beneficial for either party. Tip number 3. Interact and observe. The next tip is to engage and connect with others by interacting with their content. Start by following people and observing how they use the platform. Pay attention to the types of posts they share and the topics they discuss. Notice what prompts you to like, comment, or reply to their posts. This will help you understand what kind of content might resonate with others in your photography niche and attract attention. I often post the outcomes of corporate shoots I've completed. In addition, I share insights into my personal values, the reasons behind my passion for photography, and what motivates me. I create content that educates others about my work and explains how they can collaborate with me. I also promote my services by announcing available time slots for shoots and directing people to my website to get in touch. My advice is to experiment, enjoy the process, and network with others, including fellow photographers. So, there you have it, the 3 powerful strategies that photographers can use to make the most of LinkedIn. From turning your profile into a portfolio to using the platform for marketing, networking, and attracting clients, LinkedIn offers huge opportunities if you approach it with the right mindset. Building connections and creating organic content can lead to inbound leads, and nurturing those warm leads can turn into valuable business opportunities. If you're just starting out, don't forget the importance of creating a professional profile, engaging with your network, and experimenting with different content types. It's all about building relationships and showcasing your work in a way that attracts potential clients. Now that you know how photographers can use LinkedIn to grow their business, I'd love to hear from you. Have you used LinkedIn to find clients or build your network? What's been your experience so far? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to discuss it with you. Now, if you want to know more about the potential of earning more with Faceless YouTube channel, you must stay tuned because in the next video, we are going to talk about it. See you in the next one.